the loads where bigger trains can't go. They work with James and Thomas at the transfer yard, and though they're cute and friendly,